Do you have a project that's just been collecting dust and you're waiting for the inspiration to start working on it again? Well, you're in the right place because we work on anything that has an engine, including a 1980 El Camino, 1981 El Camino that used to have a topper, Jake's 48 Dodge grain truck cab swap onto a 2002 3/4 ton chassis, and you can't forget about our 2001 Taiga 21V Riders Edition boat. Maybe you get thrown off by the ups and the downs that come with working on a project. We show ours to help you get through yours. And with our focus on a budget, our projects are very relatable and doable for anybody. And obviously keep things entertaining, right? Oh, I totally put a hole in my radiator.
No! No! No!
Our goal is to inspire 1 million people to start working on their projects again. There are a few different ways that we keep track of our progress towards this goal. Number one, our subscriber count. So if you've made it this far in the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Number two, our Amazon affiliate links that we put in the descriptions of our videos. And not only will you be supporting our channel monetarily by using our Amazon affiliate links, we also see what you buy so we can keep track of the projects that you're working on. Hey Leroy, what you doing? I was just checking out our Amazon affiliate. Looks like somebody's doing an engine swap.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. You don't have to purchase exactly what's in those links. You just have to go through them. There we go. Oh yeah. Feel that power. Man, it feels good to be driving this thing around. Oh, bottom out a little bit. Yeah, that's why I need to upgrade those springs. Lastly, consider joining our membership program to help us go further faster and reach our goal of inspiring 1 million people to start working on their projects again. Thanks for coming along. Hope to see you on next week's video. If you enjoyed this video, check out the playlist of the Mino Camino in the upper left, and then we've got next week's video and last week's video. Thanks for tuning in, and welcome to the Roy Garage.